Thanks for joining us. It's Monday, December 27th. I'm Rana Novini. Darlene and Mike will have the morning off. We have Adelle Caballero tracking the roads and rails, and Storm Team 4's Maria LaRosa here with our weather headlines. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, we have some wintry weather headed our way, but it's going to be just enough to make it feel kind of terrible. Yeah, it's Monday. Let's get you started. This is a part of the problem here, this little bit of a wintry mix, and because our temperatures are just on the edge just about everywhere, where we're kind of close to freezing, there are spots that are below freezing. It is going to be that geographically dependent type of forecast where to the north of the city, better chance to see more of that snow shower activity. But let's talk temps first because it is dry out there now. 37 in the city, 27 in White Plains. We do now have a winter weather advisory that's been expanded now for most of the Hudson Valley, northwestern New Jersey, Warren, Sussex County, and northern Passaic County now included in that as well. That's for later today into tonight for that possibility of that wintry mix, the sleet, the freezing rain, and even some snow showers. It's a slow start, so things are quiet right now if you have plans to be out and about. But by afternoon, it's going to be light, but just enough. So watch the road conditions, and then temperatures really staying in the mid-30s all day today, and then into the overnight, the chance for some showers continuing as well. So I'll break down the impacts and then fine-tune that timing coming up in just a little bit. All right, Adele, how are things looking out there?
Not too bad, at least not yet. We do have some service changes and delays going on quite a few lines, though, so definitely allow yourself some extra time if you are going to be hopping onto the subways sometime soon. Also in New Jersey here, Jersey Avenue, that's Route 91 both ways. It is closed between Trailer Square and Van Dyke Avenue because of a downed pole. We will, of course, continue to keep you updated on that. And Holland Tunnel on the inbound side, we have one lane blocked for construction. That'll wrap up in about another hour or so, and alternate side parking rules are in effect citywide for today. Rana, back to you.
Okay, Adele, thank you. We want to get to the latest on the continuing COVID surge with nearly 50,000 new confirmed cases on Christmas Day in New York and New Jersey combined. Thankfully, the number of people getting very sick or dying still a fraction of what we saw. Let's check in with Maria LaRosa. Check of your forecast on this Monday morning.
Well, it's going to be chilly. We've got a lot of gray skies headed our way, too. We're sitting at 37. It is dry, and that's how it's going to be through the morning hours. By midday, it may be a different story, and certainly by later this afternoon and evening. North and west of the city, we're talking that wintry mix, the sleet, the freezing rain, even some snow. So I'm going to time it out for you and take a peek at New Year's Eve and what we're watching for now in that 10-day forecast.
Okay, Maria, thank you. Also coming up, we're getting a wintry mix, but nothing like that.
Nothing like that. But it's all connected, right? We're going to be watching this West Coast storm bring us some more wintry, wet weather as we get in through tomorrow. So it's really progressive. It's moving pretty quickly. In the meantime, though, this is what's going to make our day ahead a little bit tricky, and the key word being little, but just enough. So let's show you what's happening. Not much right now. We have clear skies, 37 degrees, a northwest wind about 12, so a hint of a wind chill. It is going to stay chilly all day today. In fact, 37 is about as warm as it'll get for the day today. So here's what we're looking at by this afternoon, evening, and into the overnight. It's a mainly chilly rain for the city southward, so Long Island, the Jersey Shore. Freezing rain north and west, even some sleet mixing in as well. The problem is the accumulation, while light, could be enough. Watch those overpasses. Any untreated roads, especially overnight tonight, could get a little bit tricky, and even some snow mixing in at times as well. So this is sort of that zone north and west of the city, especially later today and tonight, that we could get a little bit of that wintry mix. So first we get the clouds, and you can see by later this afternoon a little bit of snow possible really across the area. But some light, chilly rain from Merrick to Belmar. It is north and west where that colder air is entrenched a little bit longer. That some of that freezing rain and sleet will mix in there. And then tomorrow morning, it's another quick break before that next bit of mess moves in. Temperatures start climbing again for the week into the mid and upper 40s. By Friday, still into the 40s. But at that point, we'll be watching for some rain as we get from Friday into Saturday. And yes, midnight, keeping an eye on that for sure. Temperatures will be into the 40s around midnight as it looks right now, and I can't rule out a few showers by midnight as well. But look at that. By Sunday, hanging on to 50 for dear life, because Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, as we really ring in 2022 on a chilly note, overnight lows early next week in the 20s. All right, it is 4:20, almost 4:21. Adele, what are you watching out there?
We've got a few things going on, actually. The big story right now with New Jersey Transit, it is suspended Morrison-Essex line as well as your Montclair and Boonton line. That's because of an earlier crash. All other commuter rails, though, are in great shape. We also have some ongoing delays and service changes with some of your subway lines, so allow yourself some extra time there. Jersey Avenue, Route 91 in New Jersey, both ways, is shut down because of a down pole between Trailer Square and Van Dyke Avenue. 80 eastbound is also closed right now between exit 4 and exit 1. And if you are going to be making your way onto the George Washington Bridge, still a pretty quiet ride here, upper level and lower level, heading both ways. Rana, back to you.
Okay, Adele, thank you. And we have some more news you'll need before heading out the door. Ahead, why subway rides will take a little bit longer this week.
$1 billion.
$1 billion.
That's insane.
Yeah.
People are ready to get
People
back to
are
it.
ready.
Yes,
Yeah, Spider-Man. More Spider-Man.
More Spider-Man. All right, what can we expect out there this morning?
All right, well, things are quiet now.